Hi, I'm Umar, an ERP functional consultant at Artrix Technologies. In the last video, I showed you how we manage recipe-based raw material consumption for coffees, burgers using Odoo. In this video, I'll walk you through the next step, how the kitchen team gets notified on the display when a customer places an order, and how the customer is notified when the order is ready. So let's jump right into Odoo dashboard and see how it works. So here is my Odoo dashboard, alright, and this is my POS. So before getting into my POS, I'll show you there's an option here in the orders section called preparation display. So in this preparation display, I have configured three different types of display. One is kitchen display, barbecue display, and mocktail display. The kitchen display is configured to receive orders which have the product category types of food and drinks. Same way, there is another display called barbecue display. So basically, if your restaurant or a cafe has a barbecue in an open area, so the orders that will be received in that area, so the guy who is preparing the barbecue will have another separate screen to see the orders that are received for the barbecue. And the same way, if you have a mocktail area where juices and mocktails are prepared, so the bartender will receive those orders in his own screen. So now let me just open one of the preparation display, and later we will just jump into our POS and publish the orders. So this is how preparation display area for the kitchen display area will look like. So now let me quickly jump into the dashboard and open the register for the coffee shop, and let me just open it, and let's place some orders. So let's say on a table number 3 I have an order for, let's say, chicken burger with sweet potato fries, and I have got some espresso coffee order, and let's say, alright, so I got 3 different orders from the menus, and I'll just click on order to place the order. I'll select the customer and finalize the payment. I'll also place some more orders. So let's say on table number 1 I'll just select, let's say, chicken burger with grilled vegetables, and let's say some green tea, and yeah, alright, so this is one more order. Let me not make the payment for this order now, and let me add another order. So I'll just add one more order, and I'll order some pizza with mushrooms, okay, and some pasta with extra cheese, and let's say I'll order Fanta. Alright, and let me place one more order and confirm the payment for this one. Okay, so now I'll just move back to my kitchen display screen and see all these 3 orders. So let's move. Yes, so that's my kitchen display screen where I can see 3 different orders placed, and now the chef who is preparing the orders as and when, so he has an option from here, so he would be able to see all the different types of food items. So like now, if he is supposed to prepare some chicken burgers, so that is 2 quantities, so he can just select these 2 chicken burgers, and he knows, okay, he needs to prepare chicken burgers of 2 quantities, and he can plan the preparation. The same way, the pizza takes more time to be preparation, so like if there are more orders for the pizza, he can plan together through this option. And as and when the orders are prepared, so like let's say the chicken burger is done, so he can just click on the chicken burger that this is done for this order, and he can see the ticket. So for this order T3 chicken burger is done, and T1 the chicken burger is done. The preparation is fungi and espresso coffee and green tea and Schweppes for both these orders. So again, he would, as and when, if there are more orders for fungi, he would be able to see it from here. If not, he can just prepare for one. So let's say he prepared this one, he prepared espresso coffee. Once it's done, it will move to the ready section. Again, green tea, Schweppes, done. it moves to the ready section. So here you see these orders are ready. That means they are ready and the customer needs to pick these orders. Let me just quickly move on to the customer display screen. So how the customer will see these orders. So we have two options here, to cook and ready. In this kitchen display screen, on the customer display screen, let's move there. So I got these order status, right? So I got 3 different orders. 2 orders I moved into ready state. So this is how a customer will see. So customer with order number 102 and 101, they will see that the orders are ready and they can come and get it picked. Or the waiter, if he is suppose serving, then he knows that these orders are ready and he can pick them up and serve the customers. Again, 103 is not ready, and so it is in the another section. Let me just go back to the kitchen display screen and move this order from ready to done. So let's say the waiter served this order. So I'll just click on this ready and it's moved to the completed stage. That means the order has been prepared and served to the customer. In the order status screens, again I'm moving to the next step. Here I see, okay, the order 102 has been moved out of ready. That means it has hidden. So it means the order is completed. Again, on the kitchen display screen, I have got to cook, ready and completed. 3 different stages. I'll select pizza, pasta, Fanta. Once done, it's gone to the ready stage. Once done, once it is being served or being collected by the customer, you can just click on ready, and they move to the completed stage. On the customer display screen, all the orders are gone. So this is how we manage customer display screen and kitchen display screen in Odoo. If you are running a cafe or a restaurant and you are looking for a similar solution, feel free to get back to me on my email ID. Thank you. I'll be soon again with a part 3 of the ERP implementation for a cafe or a restaurant soon. Thank you. Have a good day.